Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. Most people solve this question like 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Then again 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Now minus 3 multiply minus 3 is equal to 9. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So 4 minus 7. Now solve this parenthesis. 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Now here is a multiplication and here is subtraction. So first priority according to PEMDAS rule, multiplication. Okay. So 4. Now multiply minus 7 minus 3 is equal to plus 21. Okay. So 4 plus 21 is equal to 25. Therefore, the correct answer is 25. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.